This one is a 1929 Remington portable. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is pink on the side and purple on top. To set the margins, they're behind the carriage here, and you just push them in and move them like this. Wherever you want on each side here, that's the one on the left. And it has a paper tray that flips up back here. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit the line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. To change from single to double, there's a knob right here, and then you just pull it out and spin it like that, and then you're on double. So when you hit that, there's 2 spaces instead of 1. We're going to keep it on single for now and go back to the next line and finish the words. And that's it. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine, classic typewriter in a very rare color. This color, I don't think I've ever had one in this color. And the print is nice. It's an Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch, which is smaller than the average, which is 10. So you can fit more words on a page with this typewriter. And to pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch on the right side here, back, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Flip those back down. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left here. To clear that, you just hit the shift again. It's got a tab function. So this model comes with a case, and I just took it off because I think it just looks cleaner without it. But if you put it on this case, it kind of props it up a little bit. It looks all right, but it allows you to have a little bit freer range with the keys and the tab function. So the tab function is already preset. You can't set it, but when you hit the tab, it'll stop at each one of the preset tabs like so. So that's how that works. Take this back. I like the look better without the case. It's got a top for that case too, so it completely encloses it and you can carry it. And it's got a backspace here on the top right. That works good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.